everybody, so today I am going to show you how to check your status on your passport application. If you applied for it and you're waiting for it at home, and so that you can just actually go online and then check it out for yourself, the status of your application. So let's get into it. So just grab your laptop or your cell phone and type in on Google travelstate.gov. And it will take you to this thing here, so you just click this one, the US passport, and when you get into here, you will see my track my application status. So you just click into it and it will take you to this page here, and then the only thing you're gonna need, the information that needed, is the last name and your date of birth, and then the last 4 digit of your social security number. And then you just have to click this one, online passport status system, which what we're gonna do. And then you just have to check this one here. I have read the Privacy Computing Fraud Act. And then when you get into here, guys, this is the one that you're gonna fill up here, your last name, date of birth, and your social security number. And you just have to do this thing here. This one is to identify that people is the one who's trying to access their website. This is like so that it's not a computer that doing this. So you just have to type in whatever it is here. This one changes a lot, and then you just have to submit, and you'll have your status on your passport, so that you don't have to worry waiting for it if it's taking longer, and it will show you wherever you are in the state actually, because this is their website. And that is all, guys. I hope this is helpful. Bye.